your year with Fabletics, a new line of activewear by Kate Hudson. With Fabletics, you get a complete outfit from top to bottom. All outfits shipped for free. Get your first outfit for $25 at Fabletics.com. A little crushed vanilla milk. Breyer's natural vanilla with only sustainably farmed vanilla.
Breyer's has fresh cream, sugar, and milk.
Breyer's, the good vanilla. Our milk and cream come from cows not treated with artificial growth hormones.
In our house, accuracy is the only option.
Accuracy is everything.
That's why we use Realtor.com to find this home.
That's why I use Realtor.com to find this house.
That's why we use Realtor.com to find our dream home. It updates its listings every 15 minutes.
It's the secret ingredient.
Realtor.com helped find the perfect home for us.
And Mr. Sausage.
Realtor.com is the most accurate home search tool. Its homes are sweet.
To us, this isn't a logo, it's an icon, driven by you. The Larry H. Miller dealerships offer more than 50 dealer locations and an inventory of over 15,000 vehicles, with nearly 2 million satisfied car buyers and thousands more every day. We take pride knowing this is on every vehicle driven by you. Service, selection, price, and pride. It's what makes this an icon. The Larry H. Miller dealerships, driven by you.
U.S. Med has great news for anyone living with diabetes.
If you have Medicare, private insurance, or prescription drug coverage, U.S. Med will ship a new glucose meter right to your home.
And shipping is free.
My new meter uses only a speck of blood.
Act now, and U.S. Med will include a free prescription discount card. We'll also send you a free diabetes cookbook. This is your opportunity. So call U.S. Med today.
You'll be glad you did.
The Viper struck.
The orders headed to extreme raw.
What does the future hold for the new #1 contender? Raw, Monday at 8 on USA.
Casey, what's wrong? I need a favor. If this is about Taft, forget it. I've been going through his decisions over the past 10 years. He's capricious, he disregards procedure on a whim. He dismissed assault charges without a motion and without a hearing, and he routinely sets exorbitant bail before please, Casey. Total business. I am every attorney that asks for Taft's recusal, they lose, including with a child poisoning case, the People versus Rosalind Silver. Oh, let me see. Here are the transcripts. Silver takes her daughter to the emergency room. She gets arrested for poisoning her with antifreeze. Right? She waives her jury at the trial. Taft disallows an expert witness who's going to testify that her daughter has a genetic disease. Right? So Silver's attorney asks for Taft's recusal. Silver's doing 25 to life. Do you know what this is? You don't know. You have no idea what the circumstances were. This is ground for getting his ass thrown off the bench. I need you to call Jack Dreyer at the State Commission on Judicial Conduct and ask if anyone's filed any confidential complaints against Taft. No, absolutely not. You want to talk to Dreyer? You might guess. But I guarantee you he's going to laugh you out of his office. I'm asking you to make one phone call. And I'm telling you that nothing you've shown me proves that Taft is under anything unethical or improper. You find such proof, bring it. Otherwise, I'm done with this case.
Judge Taft is a pompous son of a bitch. I left criminal law because of him.
What'd he do?
For starters, wrongfully convicted my client of a crime she didn't commit.
Your expert witness is ready to testify that her baby had a rare disease.
He was a genetics professor. He believed the antifreeze evidence was a lab mistake. All I needed was the